Calm your heart and be patient. I have something beautiful in store for you. I am near you today. I will make my presence known in your life. I will bless those around you who are struggling with their faith. I will help them find the courage they need to go on. Believe me when I say that you are going to end the year happier, healthier, and richer than before. Your prayers are working. If you are lost, I will guide you. If you are wrong, I will correct you. If you start to give up, I will keep you going. I have a good plan for you. Be brave and stay the course. When you turn your worries into worship, I will turn your battles into blessings. Your heart will be free of sadness, your mind free from worries, your life full of gladness, and your body free of illness. In the month of March, you will march into greatness, you will march into favor, and you will march into miracles. Do not be afraid to dream big, because I am with you. Trust me and have faith in what I can do for you. All your dreams are within reach. Just hold on to my hand and let me lead the way. Rejoice in who I am. Rejoice in the love I have for you, and be grateful for all the good in your life. God bless you. Like the video if you believe. This message contains something that will help manifest abundance in your life. Please don't ignore it.